Hello students. Today in this video we are going to see the scientific notation, or they are also called as the exponential notations. A chemist has to deal with numbers as large as 602, see the number student, 602, 200, again 00. This I will continue for 6 times. This big number for the molecule of 2 gram of hydrogen atom. 2 gram of hydrogen molecule. Or they have to deal with small numbers like 0.00. This I will continue for 23 times. 166. Isn't it very difficult to write such numbers during calculations? And therefore, we use a simple way to write those numbers during the calculations. And they are called as scientific notations or exponential notations. Whether the number is big or small, we always prefer writing them in scientific notations. So we avoid writing so many zeros in the mathematical operations, and these numbers, they are represented in the form of n into 10 raised to some number, that is n. This n can be a negative number or a positive number, and this n, it ranges from 1 to 10. So let us practice some of the molecules, how to write this. Now if you see this number student, so this big number is what I have written is the Avogadro number. That is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Now you can see here the same number, how I can write this student is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. And this same number is, how I can write this is 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24. This I have taken in gram, so I will write this as gram. So students, when I am taking the decimal to this side, I will raise this with a minus sign, and when I am taking the decimal to this side, I will raise this to a positive exponential form. And those notations we use for calculations. Now if I write the number like 0.00015. Now how I can express this is, I will try to bring this decimal to the first digit here between 1 and 5. So how I can write this is 1.5 into 10 raised to. Now if you see this 1, 2, 3 and 4. But as I have shifted this to my right hand side, I will write it as minus 4. So this is how I will write this in the exponential form. Now let us see some of the ways how you can use this for the calculations and some of the rules what you have to follow while calculating some of the problems. So let us see the first one, and that is 5.55 into 10 raised to 4 and 6.95 into 10 raised to 3. Now what I have to do is I have to add them. Students, when you add such digits, the only important thing what you have to take care is you have to make the exponential powers same. So first let us make the exponential powers same. So this will be 5.55 into 10 raised to 4 plus. Now I will make this power also to raise 4. So I will shift this to the left hand side. So it will be 0.695 into 10 raised to 4. Now as the powers they are same, I will take that common out and simply add the two digits. So what will be your calculation is 5.55 plus 0.695 into 10 raised to 4. Now you have to use the simple addition technique here. So you will get here something that is 6.245 into 10 raised to 4. Let us try for the next one. If the sum is 3.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 minus 5.8 into 10 raised to minus 3. Now I have to make the raised powers equal. So how I will write this? This will be 3.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 minus 0.58 into 10 raised to minus 2. Now it will be 3.5 minus 0.58 into 10 raised to minus 2. So this will come to 2.92 into 10 raised to minus 2. So students, you have to equalize the powers before doing any calculation. Now let us see the next calculation. (5.6) into 10 raised to 5 multiplied by 6.9 into 10 raised to 8. Now let us go for this. This will be 5.6 into 6.9. So this will be a simple calculation, and when it is multiplied, then you have to add the raised values here. So it will be 10 raised to 5 plus 8. So if I find the product for this, this will be 38.64 into 10 raised to 13. Students, you have to use here the calculation by log, and to know how to use the log, you can refer to the log calculation video. So now this should be 1 digit decimal. So here it will be 3.864 into 10 raised to 14. So this is how you will go for this. Let us see the next one. That is 9.8 into 10 raised to minus 2 multiplied by 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 6. So how you will do this, student? This will be 9.8. Now this is multiplied by, so I will write here multiplied by 2.5, and those raised powers I will add them. So it will be 10 raised to minus 2 and plus minus 6. So this will be the calculation. So after doing this calculation, this will come to 24.50 into 10 raised to, this will become minus 2 minus 6. So it will become minus 8. So your answer will be 24.50 into 10 raised to minus 8. As I said, your answer must be expressed 1 digit decimal. So it will be equal to 2.450 into 10 raised to minus 7. So this is how you have to place the raised power for the calculations. So students, there are some rules, and you call them as precisions what you have to use, because the log limitation is only of 4 digits, and therefore the limitation is you can use or you can see the log value only of 4 digits. So now let us see how to use the 4 digits for the calculations. So we call them as the rounding of the numbers. So let us see how to round off the numbers. So students, the final results of the calculation, they are rounded off for the calculations. Now when this occurs, there are some rules what you have to follow. Now let us see what the rules are. If the digit following the last digit to be kept, if it is less than 5, the last digit to the left is unchanged. This statement sounds little difficult. So for that, let us take some example. Now the example is, this is 46.32. Now if I want to make the digit only after, or I want the digit to be written only for 3 digits. Now how I will write this for 3 digits, student? I will count this 1, 2 and 3. Means I want the answer only of 3 digits. So I will check this number. Now as this number is less than 5, I will drop this number and my answer will be 46.3. Now if the same answer would have been 46.36, then how I will write the same digit? So here, as you see, I want the answer in 3 digits. So I will check for this digit. This digit is more than 5 and therefore its immediate inner number, that is this, will increase by 1. So what will be my answer now? 46.4. Whether it is more than 5 or 5. See the next condition, 46.35. Now students, here also, if I want to write the answer in 3 digits, that is 46 point. Now this digit, what I will see is, if this digit is 5 or more than 5, then I will increase this by 1. So again the answer here will be 46.4. So what the rule is that if the digit following the last digit is to be kept as 5 or more than 5, then the last digit, that is this, should be increased by 1. And if it is less than 5, then the digit is dropped. Now let us try one more example, that is 52.87. Now students, if I want to write the answer only for 3 digits, means what? I want an answer to be expressed only in 3 digits, then how I will write is, I want 3 digits, so let us check this. The immediate number after this 3 digit is this. So if you see this, this is more than 5 and therefore I will increase this number by 1. So your answer here will be 52.9. So this is how you have to round it off. Now let us try few of the examples so that you will understand this better. Here are some of the examples what we have. The first digit is 1.223. You have to round off this to 2 digits. 2 digits means I want answer only up to this. So I will check now this digit. If you see this digit is less than 5 and therefore I will drop that and answer will be only 1.2. Come to this, they are asking the answer in 3 digits. So I want the answer only up to this. And so I will check this digit. If you see this digit, it is more than 5 and so this digit will increase by 1. So your answer will be 12.6. Come to this. They want the answer to 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. They want the answer up to this. Now I have to check the next digit, that is 7, which is more than 5 and so I will round off this or I will increase this by 1. So it will be 122.2. Come to this now, 3 digits I want. So I want the answer only up to this. Now if I see this, I have to check for this digit. If you see this digit is 5 or more than 5, that is the condition. This is 5, so I will increase this number by 1. So your answer will be 232. Now students, see this number 8645.86. Now I want the answer in 5 digits, up to 5 digits. Means up to what I want? I want the answer up to this. So I will check this number. As you can see, it is more than 5. Therefore, this digit will increase by 1. So what will be your answer, student? 8645.9. See this number now, 6.022. I want the answer only up to 3 digits. 3 digits means what, student? Only this. So check for this digit. If you see this is less than 5 and therefore I will drop this digit and your answer will be 6.02. So let us try one more, 9.7742. I want the answer up to 3 digits. I want the answer only up to this. So students, please write your answer in the comment box. What will be the exact value for this if I want the answer only up to 3 digits? I hope you understood the concept of rounding off the significant numbers and how we write the numbers in the exponential form for the calculations. So I hope you like this video. So please do subscribe my channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you, students.